I just weigh my hair down. This is how it is now. So this is the fenugreek. I put 3 tablespoons into this jar. This is a 473 ml jar. Guys, I'm so excited about using this fenugreek for my hair. After putting the 3 tablespoons of fenugreek, I added water into the jar. Guys, I did not really measure how many cups of water, but I just put the water to not full to the brim, just almost full. Guys, my intention was to keep this overnight, then use it, but I got really busy, so I couldn't use it, and I didn't want to waste it. So this mix actually stayed for 48 hours, and 48 hours later, see how it has become this gel-like consistency. I know that if I had used it when I was supposed to use it, it wouldn't have been this thick, but I really love this consistency. And when I was ready to use it, I just went ahead and strained it. You can't use it directly, so I strained it to make sure all the seeds were out. I didn't want any particles left in my hair. See how thick it is. I was so excited. In fact, everybody in my house was excited. Smelled really good. I'm going to turn into this cup for easy application. So guys, I'll be applying this because I'm so excited about fenugreek. Somebody in the comment section said I should try fenugreek, and before she said it, I had already gotten fenugreek and just kept at home. So this is it, guys. I'm just going to use the gel today. I've kept the seeds so I can make a mask later. I think I'll just refrigerate that. At a later date, I'm going to make a mask with the seeds. So yeah, let me start the application process. Wear something you don't mind staining. Oh, see my shirt. This is how it is. Wow, this feels good. Feels so good. From the first application, I could tell that I was going to love this. My hair was feeling really soft. Guys, don't just mind the way I was applying it. My hair was feeling really soft. It just felt so good. I was really looking forward to see how this was going to make my hair feel, and I really didn't get disappointed. The goal was to make sure every part of my hair got this. Detangling the hair was so easy, and my curls were popping. It has sleep, and I like it. I told you guys in the video I did with my daughter that she doesn't really like DIYs, but this particular one, she said, "Mama, please, I would like this on my hair." When I loosen the hair she has, I'm going to apply the fenugreek on her hair. Guys, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on the bell so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. And guys, please watch this video to the end. The good stuff is usually at the end. Watch it, please. I found some really interesting things about fenugreek. Fenugreek is said to fight dandruff. It is said to prevent hair loss. I know a lot of people have said it stopped unnecessary shedding. It contains lecithin, which acts as a natural emollient, which conditions and moisturizes our scalp and dry hair. It adds shine and makes the hair soft. Guys, I can testify. Fenugreek also helps to revive dry, damaged hair. So I'm going to do the rest off camera, then I'll be back. So messy. Guys, I'm really loving the way my hair feels with this. My hair feels way better than how it felt with the flaxseed gel. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to link it so that you see. I'm really liking this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this in my hair for about an hour before washing it off. Like I don't think I'm going to sleep with this in my hair. But I also want to unravel it for you guys to see how it is right now. Yeah, guys, it has just weighed my hair down. This is how it is now. So I'm just going to wrap a plastic cap in it and keep it for 1 hour before washing it out. Okay, good itself. I'm going to wrap this and stay for 1 hour before washing it off. When I took out the nylon bag from my hair felt soft but strong. I don't know if you know what I mean. It felt soft, it felt moisturized, it felt so good, but at the same time, it wasn't limp, it was still strong. I really like this. So I'm just undoing the hair here so that you can see how it is after 1 hour. The hair is bouncy, it's soft. It feels so good. Guys, this beats the flaxseed gel experience hands down. So here I've washed the hair. I washed my hair and my hair still feels soft and moisturized. There's no product in the hair right now. And it feels so good. So overall, my Fenugreek experience was a good one. This is definitely a keeper. I'm going to use this. I'm going to incorporate this in my regimen. It is a keeper. Thank you all for your time. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.